Oh my god. I gotta run. I gotta get out of this crazy place. Oh my god. I think I lost him. Where's my camera? Hello? This place needs to be shut down. I don't know if anyone will find this tape. I don't know how much time I have left, but I just came to tell you, this place needs to be shut down. The failed web projects are crazy. And they need to be defeated. I don't know what they were thinking, but whoever finds this tape, you need to end it now. Ah! Whoever's listening, take down this place. No, please, 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 please.